Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a new one, then welcome to another haul. And yet again, this is a Urbanic haul. This is like a huge Urbanic haul, winter haul. This was supposed to go like few weeks ago, but I had to suddenly go to Dehradun, my hometown, because I lost my father, and so I was not able to post videos for past few weeks. I'm sure you guys will understand. And anyways, life has to move on, so I am back, and this is like most awaited haul because I have like two big parcels of Urbanic, pretty huge and heavy. Yes, they're heavy. So yeah, let's get started, and do watch this video till the end to know the discount coupon code. And if you want to know about the policies of Urbanic, they're like anything related to like policies, return, replacement, refund, COD, watch my previous video. And even this video was supposed to go along with that, but I couldn't do that. Anyways, now without much ado, let's get started. All these clothes I have like tested and tried, and I have worn these clothes in Dehradun where it's like really cold. So yeah, so let me start with the first one. So the first one is a long jacket. This is padded puffer jacket. You see it here. This is like super comfortable, and the best part about this is super protective during winters. You don't need much layering with this. आप simple एक thermal अंदर पहन लो या एक t-shirt अंदर पहन लो and wear this from outside, you are good to go. And this covers you till the end. So this is the best part, that it has zips in the pockets. So like if you have your mobile and all, you can easily carry this, and then you can zip it, because mostly ऐसा होता है कि pocket में zip नहीं होती है, and then there are chances that your gadgets or mobile or something or wallet, it can fall off from your jacket, because winters में इतने सारे clothes पहने होते हैं कि हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है. So the best part about this is it has a, in its pockets, it has zip. The thing which I felt is one thing which is complex here is the zip here. This, it has two-sided zip, and zip जो होती है वो पता नहीं, I'm not able to figure out or something. तो ये जो zip है ये ऐसी है guys कि it can't open completely. मतलब आपको दो साइड से zip है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to wear it like a sweater. Otherwise it's perfect, it's good, fitting wise बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. You will look slimmer in this, especially during winters. What happens when we wear clothes, we start looking very fat, but this will give you a slimmer look. It has a proper shape, and it has a proper fitting kind of a shape, so you will look chic, and at the same time you will feel cozy. So if you stay in colder place, then I must say that you must buy this jacket. It's really good. I'll mention the price, the size, and all the other details in the description box. You can check that. Even the link I'll mention in the description box if you plan to purchase it. Yeah, so here's the next one guys for you, and this is another jacket, and this jacket has a cool hoodie with fur in it. I always wanted a jacket with a hoodie, a big hoodie, and with a fur one to get that, you know, winter kind of a feeling. I'm so happy that I got this jacket. And this jacket as well has super cool pocket with a zip, which is like something which was my requirement during traveling. And this one can be open. This does not has that issue. वो जो long वाला jacket में issue था कि आपको zip जो है वो open नहीं होती है पूरी, but इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It can completely open and you can wear it. And yeah guys, before I move to the next one, I must tell you this, that all the jackets are super warm and cozy, but at the same time they are light, because I have seen similar kind of jacket. They are warm, but at the same time they are very heavy on your shoulder, and you feel like बहुत ज़्यादा heavy feel होता है. But in jackets में मुझे ऐसा feel नहीं हुआ. मुझे feel हुआ कि I'm wearing something, but I'm wearing something very light. ऐसा feel नहीं हुआ कि बहुत मैंने कुछ भारी सा पहन लिया है. Like they are super big and super cozy jackets, but at the same time they are light. Okay, so this is the second one. Let's move to the third one. Yeah, This is another cool jacket, and the best part about this jacket is this. And yeah guys, I one thing I have to mention here is this, that this hoodie has this fur can be separated from the hoodie. So while you're washing, you can wash this separately, and because usually what happens, this fur part is so soft that you don't want to wash it in the washing machine, or you don't want to soak it for a longer time. So I think this is something really good that you can, you know, wash this separately. So this is another good thing about this. So this is super soft, it's super good. Now the next one is here. Now this jacket, एकदम से मुझे इस जैकेट को देखकर वो याद आया that it is detachable, because this jacket fur is completely detachable. You can remove it from here and you can simply wear it without the fur as well. So ये जो है ये मुझे best लगा, because here in Surat we don't have much winters. So यहाँ के लिए मैंने ये जैकेट ही सबसे पहले बाहर निकाली थी, and then after that you know, in Dehradun I was wearing those jacket because यहाँ इतनी winter नहीं होती है. So this can be removed and you can simply wear it without this fur as well. So for here winter, I think this jacket is good to go, and the fur part is also very cool and it's very soft. सारी मैंने jackets guys wash कर ली हैं, and so I must say they are very rough and tough. They are easy to wash. मैंने washing machine में इनको wash किया है, but yes, मैंने fur वाला जो part है उसको मैंने hand से wash किया था, उसको मैंने washing machine में wash नहीं किया था, मैंने easy में wash किया था. That's another thing I have to tell you. This one also has pocket here, but this one has a button pocket. So इसकी pocket में zip नहीं है. That is also fine. Yeah, the coins, you are not supposed to keep it inside this pocket. You can keep a wallet or you can keep a mobile phone. And this one has zip as well. इसकी zip भी पूरी open हो जाती है, black वाले की तरह नहीं. Black वाला जो है that is like too long. That is why I think that it has like two side zip which cannot be opened. And but that really looks cool. This one also looks really cool. This is like my second favorite. This one is like third one, but I like it. This one as well. This brown one as well because of this hoodie. Because this is fur hoodie. So this one is also super cute and super good, and this is also super warm because of this fur. Fur remove कर दोगे तो थोड़ा कम warm हो जाएगी. So it depends on you what how do you want to wear it now. Now from these warm jacket, let's come to less warm jacket. That is vest. So this is a vest. And I'll mention yet again, I'll tell you same thing, that you know, I'll mention the price and size and everything description box. If you plan to buy, then you can check that out. Now this one also has button here and not a zip. ये भी बहुत light है guys, and this one I think will go for my Surat winter, because that is why I've ordered like this one for here. This is the vest, and this is also super good. This I have ordered for Surat. Now the next is a nightwear. If you follow my vlogging channel, then you must be aware that I have worn this night suit a lot in my vlogging channel. So yes, this is cotton, and this is something which you can wear in summer as well, not only in winters, because I already have a winter night suit. That's why I did not order another winter night suit, because here in Surat we don't have winters. But this can go in that place also, but then you will have to do layering. So I was wearing a thermal inside this, and then I was wearing this night suit. This is looks really good. It's super comfortable. I've washed this like 2-3 times now, and it's doing super good. So I'm happy with this as well. And next one is legging. This one I have a trial, and this is good, this legging. Actually guys, please be careful about the size when you're ordering, because size का थोड़ा सा issue हो जाता है, because I have ordered different size. मैंने एक और order करवाया था, वो size मेरे को गड़बड़ आया, and then I have to order it again. So it has different colors. This khaki one is not fitting me, it's coming loose. This was size I think XL, and yeah, XL. Medium is fitting me, and then I had ordered again this blue color. This is also good, the fitting is good, I liked it. And this is of medium size, it has pocket as well, and this is good. I wanted to buy a yoga pant for myself for so long, and I'm so happy that finally I got one from Urbanic. And this one has a pocket here, so if you are running or working out, so you can keep your mobile here. I'm not sure how feasible and how good are these pockets, how, you know, whether they will work or not, but I have ordered it, assuming this, that when I'll go for my running, then I'm gonna keep my mobile here for tracking. I use my mobile, so yeah, this is good. Now the next one, split skirt, and this is a knitted one. This is like a woolen and knitted one, and this is super soft. Literally, it's really soft. The हाथ में पकड़ते कितनी अच्छी feeling आ रही है ना guys. It's like super soft. And this has a small slit here, so this again I have ordered for winters. This can, I think, even go during summers because the material is good, and yeah, it can go. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी तो नहीं जाएगी ये, otherwise March तक I think I can wear it. And I'm excited to wear this because I'm gonna pair this up with a black tank top, and I'm sure I'm gonna rock on this. So maybe in my upcoming videos I will make some stylizing video, and I'm going to use this skirt in that. Now the last one guys, which I have to return because this did not fit me. This is a 2-piece set, but ये भी मैंने XL में order करा दिया, and I was checking through the size and all, and I thought it will fit me, but when I check the details and all, then I have to see उसमें जो centimeters and inches में mention होता है उसको calculate करके मैंने इसको कुछ products को XL में order किया था, but they didn't fit me. So this is another 2-piece set जो मेरे को fit नहीं हो रहा है, top, and it has a palazzo pants, but ये मेरे को बिल्कुल भी नहीं fit हो रहा है, and I'm looking really pathetic in this. So ये this one is a little boo, I can say, but otherwise rest of the things, especially my winter shopping and my gym wear and this skirt, I am like super duper happy. But this वही होता है, जब तक आपको फिटिंग अच्छी नहीं आती है तब तक चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं. So that's why this also I have to return. So yeah, that's it from what Urbanic have sent me for winter haul. I am super happy, and I am super thankful because this literally saved me during my winters in Dehradun, because now as I stay here in Surat, I hardly buy winter clothes, and this literally saved me. If you too are planning to buy from Urbanic, do not forget to use my 15% discount coupon, that is SWATI15, SWATI15. So use this coupon and avail 15% discount, and I'll mention all the link of these products in description box. You will even check my previous products which I have bought from Urbanic. I have done hell lots of shopping in 2020 from Urbanic, like all my Shein and Club Factory kind of clothes. If you like to buy, then you can go ahead. If you are fond of trendy and chic clothes, and especially during this pandemic, I'm sure you must not be visiting malls. I am not, so this was like a savior to, you know, if you're into wearing cool clothes, then please go and purchase from Urbanic. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Catch you next time with some other store. Till then, you take care of yourself, you stay fit and stay happy. Ta-da-da.